अब आपको बराह रास्त दिखाएंगे वज़ीर आला बलूचिस्तान सरफराज बुगटी न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं।
This includes the effective management of 4 central prisons, 8 district prisons, and 22 judicial lockups ranging from Barkhan to Pasni and Jungle Pir Alizi to Jalmaksi. In line with the directions of the Honorable Chief Justice, practical measures have been initiated to place all judicial lockups under the operational management of the prison department, ensuring professional custody, improved security, enhanced accountability, and better protection of the rights and dignity of persons in detention. We remain committed to working in partnership with the judiciary to build a correctional system that is secure, humane, and fully aligned with the rule of law. This shift is now anchored in law through the Balochistan Prisons and Correctional Services Act 2026, which replaces our outdated colonial area statute and recognizing rehabilitation and reintegration as core objective of imprisonment itself. What we have already delivered, ladies and gentlemen, let me speak not in promises but in results. Across the 12 prisons of Balochistan, over the last few years, we have put real resources behind reforms. Healthcare, we increased the medicine budget more than 6-fold from rupees 3 million to rupees 20 million, established many labs and dental clinics, expanded the ambulances fleet to 13 and ran TB, HIV, and hepatitis control camps alongside mental health counseling. Infrastructure, Central Prison Gadani has been declared a modern prison under a rupees 1,000 million scheme. New prisons at Loralai, Kila Saifullah, Pashin, and Surab are being added. And a new central prison, Quetta, is planned to relieve overcrowding. Rehabilitation and digitalization in partnership with UNODC, we digitized prisoner records through the PMIS in 11 prisons, moving from manual registers to real-time dashboards. Vocational trainings in tailoring, computing, handicrafts, and trade is now offered with 8 schools of juveniles. Education and dignity. Inmates now sit examinations from matriculation up to master's level, earning statutory remissions. Over rupees 13 million was raised to pay diyat, fines, and daman for needy pity offenders, and we are building a chapel for our Christians inmates. People and oversight, more than 600 officers and staff were recruited and trained, including on the Nelson Mandela rules and human rights. And a physical training center was established for capacity building. We have also legislated for life beyond the prison and human rights. And a physical training center was established for capacity building. We have also legislated for life beyond the prison walls, the Balochistan Probation and Payroll Act 2026 with a rupees 500 million reformation and reintegration fund. Gives offenders a structured, supervised path back into society. Ladies and gentlemen, what is coming next? Passing a law is the beginning, not the end. Our immediate agenda is clear: to notify the rules and SOPs under the 2026 Act, to roll out the PMIS to every remaining prison, to extend CCTV and risk-based prisoners classification, and to strengthen healthcare, legal aid, and women's prisoners' facilities. We will establish a prison academy in Balochistan for proper pre-induction training and a dedicated women's prison in the province. Looking further ahead, we will expand prison industries and vocational centers, introduce e-monitoring and digital inmate management, established dedicated rehabilitation and de-radicalization programs, develop community correction and non-custodial sentencing and build partnership with universities, civil society and the private sector for reintegration. A shared responsibilities, ladies and gentlemen. Let me be candid. A society is not made safer merely by keeping people behind walls. It is made safer when those who leave our prisons return as responsible citizens rather than repeat offenders. That is the true measures of
पाकिस्तान में जेल इस्लाहात से मुतालिक कॉन्फ्रेंस जारी है, जिसमें वज़ीर आला बलूचिस्तान सरफराज बुख्ती खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि कैदियों के बुनियादी इंसानी हुकूक का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ रियासत की जिम्मेदारी है। कैदियों को मुआशरे का मुफीद शहरी बनाने के हवाले से इक़दामात नागुज़ीर हैं। निज़ाम इंसाफ में कैदियों के हुकूक के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ को बड़ी अहमियत हासिल है। जेल इस्लाहात इंसाफ के निज़ाम को मज़ीद शफ़ाफ़ और मौसर बना सकती है। साथ ही साथ उन्होंने कहा कि कैदियों के बुनियादी इंसानी हुकूक का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ रियासत की जिम्मेदारी है।